you can see, we're back in the car today and we're heading north to the village of Istalif, which is well known for being one of the most beautiful villages in Afghanistan, or at least it was. It has a little bit of a tragic history, but I think it'd be really interesting to go and see a small village and see how the local people live there. I know it's very famous for pottery, so we're going to see some of that as well. Very beautiful, very good. So much of this is incredible pottery work. Apparently the Emperor Babur fell in love with this place in the 16th century, and I think it's easy to see why. It's one of the greenest places I've seen in Afghanistan. We even passed on the way in quite a few vineyards, and I'm not sure if they're still called vineyards if you never turn the grapes into wine, but dried fruit is very popular in Afghanistan, and so whether they're still called vineyards or if they're simply a grape farm, there's a lot of them on the outskirts of this little quaint town. And where we are is actually, we're about a quarter of the way up into the mountains from Kabul, but there's snow-capped mountains here all year round, so you can see those in the distance. And in the winter, this little village actually becomes full of snow. They get huge amounts of snow here in the winter, which I can only imagine is just picturesque and beautiful, and probably looks a little bit like a little mountain town in the Alps. Now we found our local village dog. Having a well-earned rest. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Thank you. Banana. Some of the pots in this shop are some of the biggest and most beautiful I've seen so far. Wow. Wow, very beautiful. Amazing. Thank you, Manana. Okay, tea. Well, we're going to stop for some tea again. Afghanistan truly is the England of Asia. Manana. Well, we've been given a cup of tea and a little bread as well, so that's very nice. There are so many pottery shops here on this street that I can only imagine they get huge numbers of customers from Kabul, and probably even further than that. I think at times there's an interesting juxtaposition because I've spoken to so many Afghans who have told me that they really want to move to England. Can I help them with visas or anything like that? And, you know, sadly I can't. But I look at their lives and there's a lot of people here who sit around with friends and drink tea all day and talk. And for them, they want to get a job, they want to get more money and so on. But I see that, and they have a roof over their heads, they have family, they have friends, and I just think that's what we should be doing. Well, there is a CCTV camera in this village. Some more really beautiful pottery here. As a local put it to me, these are simple people, but good people. It really is a quaint place with traditional mud and stone houses, a beautiful river running through, the water coming down from the snow-capped mountains. Oh, no, no, it's okay, thank you. I'm being offered a horse ride, but that's okay. That's okay, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, it's okay, thank you. Okay.
Good.
Wow, okay.
Slowly. Oh.
Alright, I'm on a horse now.
Yeah. بارش هم اینجا تا شوا.
Thank you, banana. Very good. It's good?
Very good.
If you tilt. Yeah. Less.
Okay.
اولام بگو میکنم قیلام خودم میکنه.
So, up. Stick. Yeah. No. This.
Okay.
This stick.
یک تا بگو ماکان میکنه یک دست آغده. یک تا ماکان میکنه.
Yeah, is the sketch.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
کشک.
باش صبر کن. خب. برو.
کشک. بگو کشک.
کشکو بگو. کشکو. Tag is yeah.
کشک.
Okay, finish.
Bas,
Okay,
finish,
okay.
bas.
Wow, okay. How do I... Oh. Wow, thank you, banana. Oh. Oh my god, thank you, banana.
دیگه اش میگیری و
صدر باز. نه میتایم با خاطر گفتم مالی بیشتر.
ویدیو هم گرفتم من یک بیچاره آدم شما چی میگی سر کار اینجا دیگه چم کنه بودی به طورم یک دور
نه ما را نته.
موقع یک بچه هستم من پتا بس.
فواد خیلی جوره.